Welcome to SnagBricks. Let's simplify your site audits. Create your first project. Go to the application and create a new project. Enter the following project details: project title, job reference, start date, end date, project address, project photo, project drawing. Add client details: client name, client company. Add auditor details: auditor name, auditor company name, company logo, signature. Once you save, your project will be successfully stored. Once you create a project, you can easily copy, edit, delete, generate reports, and share it.
Now we will look at how to organize your site, add locations, and create snags easily.
First, click on the project you created earlier. Next, you will see two options: location and snag list. At the bottom, there is an Add button. Click on it. Now enter your location name, for example, floor 1. After saving, your location will be added. Click on floor 1. At the top, you will see two tabs: locations and snag list. If you want to add another location inside floor 1, click the plus button. Now we will add a snag for floor 1. Go to the snag tab and click the plus button. Then open the new page. Here, fill in all the details: issue photo, title, assigned to, status, date raised, fixed by date, priority, tag, description and comment. Then click Save. Your snag for floor 1 is now successfully added. After adding a snag in floor 1, click the back icon. Now you will see floor 1 showing 0 locations and 1 snag. In the same way, you can add multiple locations and snags for each location. After a floor is added, you can easily copy, delete, edit, and share it. Similarly, after adding a snag, you can also copy, delete, edit, and share it. When you click on Edit, you can update the status as well. By clicking on the image icon at the top, you can add multiple snags. Using the filter option, you can sort snags by title, assigned to, status, and other types.
Now we will look at how to generate professional PDF and Excel reports and how to use the Share option. We created a project. Now, let's generate its PDF and Excel reports. From the bottom tab bar, click on Reports. A new page will open. Click on the Create button. You will now be on the Create Report page. Select the project for which you want to generate the report. Then, choose the revision, project date, and report type, PDF or Excel. We'll select PDF. Choose the PDF layout, image quality, and theme. You can preview the theme as well. Next, filter fields are optional. If you want to apply specific filters, simply fill only the fields you need, then export the report. Add status, tag, priority, assigned to, location, date from, and date to. Once everything is filled, click on Generate at the top. Your PDF report is ready. In the same way, you can create an Excel report. You can generate both PDF and Excel reports, and after that, you can easily share them with anyone. Customize SnagBricks to match your workflow. When you tap on the Settings tab in the tab bar, you'll see several options: Language, Reports, Customization, and Common Setup. Let's start with Language settings. Here, you can choose your preferred language. The app supports multiple languages. Next, in the Reports section, you will find various toggle options. You can choose to save captured photos directly to your device's gallery for future use. You can also enable automatic dates, such as date raised and fix by, so they default to the current date when adding snags or issues. You can update the number of days used to calculate the default Fix By Date as well. You will also see the option to set the PDF and Excel report ribbon color, which controls the color theme used in your generated reports. Then we have the Report Details section. This contains several toggle buttons that let you decide what information you want to include in your PDF and Excel reports. Many users prefer not to show every detail, so you can easily turn specific fields on or off based on your requirements. Moving on to customization. Here you can change the wording used throughout the app and reports. For example, some teams use the term snags, others say defects, and some use issues. You can customize all of these labels so they match the terminology used in your company or region. You can also change the date format according to your preference. Finally, we have Common Setup. This section lets you create predefined values for fields such as title, assigned to, issue description, status, tags, and priority. These predefined options will appear automatically when you are adding a new snag or defect, helping you save time by reducing the amount of typing required. With all these settings, you can fully tailor the app to match your workflow, terminology, and regional standards. We'll explore how to collaborate on a project with multiple team members in the SnagBricks application. Go to the project list, tap the three-dot menu of any project row, and choose Share. When you tap Share, the app generates a .zip file. You can send this file through WhatsApp, email, or any other sharing platform. When a teammate receives the file on their device, they simply tap on it. A Share Intent pop-up will appear. Then select the SnagBricks application from the Share Intent pop-up. Once they tap on the SnagBricks app icon, the project data will be imported automatically. If the project doesn't exist, it will be created. If it already exists, the new records will be merged with the existing project. This makes team collaboration simple. For example, in a mall audit with 4 floors, each auditor can work independently on their assigned floor. After completing their audit, they share their project data with one team member, who then generates the combined final report. This is how SnagBricks enables seamless multi-device teamwork without using any cloud services.
SnagBricks. Capture, inspect, report. Download now. Link in bio, or follow for more tutorials.